Everyone, hello, good morning, good evening. So sorry, good evening, and welcome to the resume preparation session. So it's Thursday evening again, and we are here for the resume preparation session by 360DigiTMG. Now, every Thursday we come up with this session, and of course, on other days we have other sessions. So welcome to resume preparation session. If you remember, during your demo session, we had clearly said that we will be having exclusive resume preparation session, right? So this session is just a part of it. It's not a complete session, of course, it's just a part of it, and we will be maintaining our promise to deliver the exclusive resume preparation, right? So today's topic is tailoring resume and customization strategies. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So yes, let's start with today's session. So customizing your resume or tailoring your resume as per the job description is important. It's very much required, right? To make your resume ATS friendly, it's needed. So now let's start with the today's agenda. Talking about agenda, we'll know why we need to customize your resume, why understanding the job description is important. We need to craft a targeted summary or objective, right? Now, showcasing relevant experience, incorporating relevant skills and keywords, highlighting relevant education and certification, and your part to stand out to resume. Now, how to make your customized resume? Talking about your customizing your resume, well, it helps you to stand out by increasing ATS compatibility through relevant keywords. Of course, you use all those keywords, highlighting relevant skills and experience, and demonstrating genuine interest in the job. Right? When you actually customize your resume, all these things take place. Now, differentiating from generic application, you make sure that you differentiate from all the generic applications that are available, right? So this is the sole reason why you actually customize your resume. Now, understanding the job description is very much important. Whenever we talk about understanding the job description, we know how to allow, we actually talk about aligning your resume with employer needs. How do you do that? Well, you identify key skills and qualifications that are required as per the job description, right? And that's the reason. See, again, job description we have, and there we have all those things available, right? We have to use specific keywords from job description to make sure that we include all those things in our resume. We reflect the company's values and culture, right? And when we reflect all those things in our resume, the chances of getting a resume shortlisted for the interview increases manifold. Now, talking about crafting a targeted summary or objective, can create a strong first impression by reflecting the job title and key qualifications, right? Mentioning the company name and showcasing the top relevant achievements, right? You can do this. You can do this by properly crafting your resume, right? Now, talking about showcasing relevant experience, you can present experience effectively by first matching the past job title. For example, in your previous company, you had job title like a data scientist. Of course, if you're a fresher, you won't be able to do that. But at the very same time, you must have done some work related to the same, right? Now, matching past job titles and responsibilities to new role, right? And whenever we talk about your relevant experience, you can, if you are a fresher, you can show it in terms of the project that you have done or internship that you have done, right? As a data scientist, you have done the internship, that will be fine. Using action verbs and quantifying achievements. Action verbs, for example, led the team of 20 people, right? Led and improved efficiency by this much, right? And all those things, rather than I was leading the team of 20 people, rather than doing this, if you read, start with action verbs like led or delivered, like this. If you start with these words, it actually makes an impact. So using action verbs and quantifying achievements, and quantifying achievements, you put numbers to your achievements basically. For example, led the team of 20 people rather than just I was leading the team. Again, two difference. Clearly, you can see the difference. Focusing on duties and aligned with job aligned duties aligned with the job description, right? We need to make sure that we focus on the duties that we had are aligned to the job description that we want to apply to, right? We want to apply to a particular job. It should be relevant to that job. Talking about incorporating relevant skills and keywords, you can ensure visibility by using keywords from the job description. First thing, listing both hard skills and soft skills. Yes, hard skills are technical skills and soft skills are communication skills, for example, or a communication skill or leadership or anything like this, which are soft skills. And we generally avoid using all those things in our resume, but actually they make a lot of impact on the same. So it's better that you use it. And talking about positioning key skills prominently, yes, if you have key skills, you can position that in your resume. Where can you position that? The question I already always comes. Where can we use all those things? First, you can use it in professional summary, as an experience in your job, while you're doing projects, in your technical section, in your skills, all those things. There are many avenues where you can actually use your skills, right? Highlighting relevant education and certification, talking about emphasizing your suitability by highlighting relevant courses and projects, listing matching certifications, and mentioning ongoing education in the field. Now, your part to stand out resume. Well, you can refine your resume regularly by first proofreading thoroughly. Of course, you need to make sure that you proofread your resume properly so to avoid any spelling mistake or grammatical mistake, right? Resumes are excellent way of written communication, right? When you are using that weapon, your resume is a weapon for again non written communication. You actually make sure that you increase your chances to impress the recruiter, right? And of course, optimizing for ATS to make sure most of the keywords are present. We will see how we actually optimize for ATS. Seeking feedback on your resume and maintaining a master resume. Now, maintaining a master resume is really an important suggestion. For example, if you want to make sure that your resume is as per the job description, this just means for every job you'll need to change the resume. And if you do, that will be really good. But at the very same time, there should be a master resume which you just edit every single time. When you do that, you actually make a standout resume. Of course, staying updated with industry trends is very much important. Talking about our famous job portals, these are our famous job portals we have, right? And we all know this, by the way, know this. So yes, talking about few Google search results related to again data science. If you just do a basic Google search, you'll get such actually all such results, right? So it really proves there's a lot of vacancy for data scientists. Talking about other skills, well, you can actually put technical skills and tools, analytical skills, business understanding, data management, soft skills, all those things, right? You put all those things in your resume. Now, talking about your interview, what happens is they ask questions which are sometimes not related to the work you're done. Of course, when they ask, they really want to see if you are actually aligned with the culture that they have, right? So they ask questions. Here are few of such questions where where they ask you to describe a challenging projects you worked on. How do you stay updated with industry trends? Give an example of goal you set and how you achieved it. Describe a time when you had to work with a difficult team member. What do you do if you make a mistake that no one else noticed? You need to give a thought to all these questions. How would you actually deal with such scenarios? Right. Now, Isabel Leflesh once said, your passion is waiting for your courage to catch up. Now, when we talk about a courage, of course, you're courageous enough. That's the reason you're pursuing your dream. But at the very same time, sometimes we don't actually move forward to, or we are not courageous enough to do something that is actually required because of some fear, maybe. Well, just have courage to do that. Your passion is waiting for courage to catch up, is what Isabel Leflesh said, right? And that's true. Now, talking about us, you can contact us at 1-800-212-654-321. You can mail us at inquiry@360DTMG.com and visit our website at 360DTMG.com. We have three main centers: Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. Of course, we have other locations in Pune, in Bhilai, for example. We have our own uh, franchises, and of course, we have our centers too. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, I request you to pause this video to go to the link where you can follow us on Instagram. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and yes, you can follow us on LinkedIn too. Talking about accreditation to international certification bodies, we have accreditation to Microsoft, City University of New York, Future Skills Prime, Panasonic, and TCS Iron. Right. Now, after all these things, let me take you to Resume Optimizer, something that we have here. This is our website. Let me take you to our website. This is our website. And in our website, you'll find a plethora of material that is useful for you. Now, how to see all those things here? First of all, talk about our website, blog courses that we offer, domain analytics courses that we offer. You can read about us. You can actually see the career transition that people have made here. All those things you can clearly see. Our alumni work at different companies. Now, let me take you to learning resources. And in learning resources, we have plethora of material for you. Of course, you can actually be part of micro learning, where you can invest your small time and get a lot of things in return, get a lot of knowledge in return. Now, we'll go to Resume Optimizer, Resume Optimization Hub, RO Hub, we call it. And you can click here to polish your resume. And of course, this is the RO Hub, or we call Resume Optimization Hub, transforming resumes, shaping careers. And yes, the scoring system we have as per your resume and the job description that you provide. Of course, that is just to make your resume ATS friendly. While you love RO Hub and all those things here. Let's see how we actually use it. Well, you need to upload your resume. For example, you upload your resume here. And for example, I'm uploading intern's resume. I choose a file. You can just paste the job description here too. I'm just choosing a file, taking job description, and of course, I'll compare. Before we compare, of course, we have before rather than investing our time there, I've already kept it compared. So keyword matching results, this is how you get it. Job skills required missing in your resume and job skills required present in your resume, both are present. Here we see matching percentage 39.68. Of course, we need to include more skills in our resume. Now, talking about this, you can select any one of them and you can click on interview question. You can go for foundation, advanced, or intermediate. Here we went for intermediate questions. We clicked on interview questions, and of course, we have a lot of questions here, right? You can prepare for interview in this way. Of course, you can go for foundation level questions too. And of course, you'll need to wait a bit to explore. You can till that time explore our resources, other resources. And of course, you can see these are the basic questions that we have in general. Advanced, if you want to see, again, go to advanced and interview questions. We'll have all these things here. We'll wait for it a bit. And of course, we have interview questions related to different difficulties, right? Now, this is about a resume. Of course, if you use all those things, you can generate a resume from here. You can just select all those keywords that are required and you try to generate your resume here, right? Now, once that is done, of course, you will be able to generate your resume here. Fill these details, fill all these details, add projects and everything, skills, certification, award, and of course, you go and select the template and you make your resume. In the similar way, you have option to generate the cover letter, where you can actually generate your cover letter using this template, right? Now, this is from Resume Optimization Hub. What do we have in our website? What else can we show it to you in our website that will actually uh, enhance your learning? For example, if you have a job interview coming up, what you can do is you can go to the digital book and you can read from this particular digital book. You can read a lot. There's small points that are given, and it will be a good practice. It will be a good revision if you do it daily. If you revise it daily, of course, rest assured, the concept will be really clear. AI Design Studio for ML, where we actually design our machine learning complete project from end to end. This is project architecture. This is for beginner. We have projects for intermediate, and we have project architecture for someone with advanced level of knowledge. Now think of it, if you're a beginner and you know how this advanced level of things actually work, won't you think your recruiter will be impressed? He will be really impressed, right? Exactly. So that's the reason we insist that you go through this and actually learn how to make architecture completely. Now, after this, we have data skills assessment. We have career advancement and professional growth, where we just saw a resume optimization hub, and we have talent connection portal. Talking about conceptual understanding, insightful learning, we have strategic learning maps. We call it mind maps. Of course, you can come here and revise from those mind maps, and that will be really useful. For example, like this, it just extends like this, and of course, you can use this. We have innovative project showcase, where actually we showcase all the projects that we have done. And we are including all the projects that we have done, not all the projects, but yes, projects that we have done, so that you people can actually come here and read about the project, understand how projects actually function. An animated insight series. Of course, we have animated insight series. You can actually go through all these things and read from here. Be just an easy way of learning. Now, this is regarding the resume preparation. Now, you're watching this video on YouTube. I request you to go through the playlist section, or when you go to the playlist section, you will actually see there are a lot of video related to generative AI, data science, and all those things, right? And we have videos related to, again, soft skills, right? All those things we have. What you can do is you can go through all these things and actually learn a lot, right? We always say you'll be part of immense learning. Once you go to our YouTube channel, you can see all those things available there, right? So please visit to our website and use resume optimization hub, project architectures, all those things for your work, right? And feel free to use that. Feel free to use mind maps, and yes, feel free to see the playlist section and learn a lot from the videos that we have. So team, this is it from my side. This is it from our side for today, and we'll meet again the next week with new content, and we will explain to you again completely. So till that time, team, take care. Bye. Good night. Enjoy your time. Take care. Bye.